not going to be doing enough walking at the convention. The alarm was pulled on the mezzanine this time, as opposed to 16th floor. So I don't know if that just means that the person's slowly leaving, or what the hell is going on. It's probably 5 something a.m. So I just went down all the stairs just in case, and I brought my autographs with me because that's what I do in fires. And I didn't bring anything else, so I don't think it's anything. We'll hope anyway, but I guess hopefully have to wake up in, what, 2 hours now? Guess we'll go party. Go join the other people kicked out. This is fun. They're asking for my attention, but I'm on the street now, so I can't hear it. First floor. I don't see smoke anywhere. I'll keep you posted.